Hope I don't lose him. Yeah, I'm trying to get off the... There we go. Whew. Finally got him out of there. He's working me around that pole. Y'all, welcome YouTube fam. I'm at a local pond with my dude Berkeley, and I've never been here before. He's fished it a few times, so we're gonna give her a shot and see what happens. Looks really good. It's not big, but we'll see what we can come up with. Well, I may work just around this way, just because.
I mean, we do whatever you want.
Yeah.
I don't mind at all. I've caught a lot in the pocket. Caught a lot in the corner. A new laydown.
Well, I'm gonna work around the bank with the spinnerbait and see what happens. So on TikTok, what's the limit on time? Like 15 seconds, 20 seconds, or?
I think it might be limitless now. I know for sure.
Oh yeah.
I know for sure at least a minute.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah, you can make them pretty long, but I think you can go for 3 minutes now, maybe.
Huh.
Yeah, they keep extending it. It used to be like 30 seconds was the max. Then
Yeah.
a minute, and now I know it goes over a minute, but I don't know
Huh.
how much over a minute.
Okay. Berkeley trying to help me get set up on TikTok. I don't know. I've never liked TikTok. Never been on TikTok. At least I don't think I had the app at one point, so I just re-downloaded it under my other email, and we're gonna try it because why not? If I can get more views, or maybe it brings more people to the page, then you know, nothing wrong with that. He's decent. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah. Alright, the first fish. That's what I'm talking about. On the spinnerbait. Healthy. Healthy fish. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's see, he's about... Just measuring him on the paddle. He's almost 15, so probably a good little pounder. But that'll work for a start. Been out here 10 minutes. I will take that all freaking day. Berkeley just got him a little one over there, so we're on it. Almost had a double up. He got his like just right after I got mine in the boat. Under the tree. Oh. Man, he swiped at it. He missed it though. Look at him. So this weather today, I don't think I said anything about this earlier, but has been stupid. I don't know why we can't get forecasts right. All the years that it's been, people have been doing forecasts. They kept saying this. Nice. What is it? Oh, so going back to the weather. It's like, oh, it's supposed to be raining by 11 or 12 o'clock. So we're like, well, we're not going to go, you know, in the morning and only get a couple hours in. And then it's like, oh, now it's not coming in until 2. And then it's like all day. I mean, it's just back and forth with the forecast of what they think is going to happen. And so far, so good. There's a nice drain here. That'd been a good place for a jig. I'm on. Oh, if I don't lose him. It's hard to tell. He's got me all over the place. Yeah. I'm trying to get off the... There we go. Whew. Finally got him out of there. He working me around that pole. Yeah. Oh, he ain't that big. He did. He pulled me over into the laydown at first, and then this got in my way because I was trying to get him out of that, and it pulled me over there. And anyway, as long as we get him in the boat. Yep. He ain't that big. Yeah, he ain't even 12, but he's... Oh, he does have a little bit of a spider. Look at you. Is that 6? Man. Well, neither one of us got skunked. I'll always take that. Alright, man. I'll catch you on the next one. I'll probably be fishing next weekend, probably Sunday. That'll be my Father's Day gift to myself. Alright. What is up, YouTube fam? I am back at Mill Creek. Got a couple hours in the afternoon to do a little fishing before it gets to be 98 degrees. Woo, it's going to be hot the next couple of weeks. We're going to be in the upper 90s, like 98 by Sunday. But we're going to fish Mill Creek a little bit. It is not moving. It is not as clear as I'd hoped it'd be. I mean, we've had some rain, but it's been a few days. I thought maybe it would have cleared out a little by now, but it is what it is in West Virginia. Although we're not in West Virginia, we're in Tennessee. Got a spinnerbait tied on. I got my snacky swimmer back out, and my other rod I'm probably going to put a worm on. I haven't put one on yet, so we'll do that if I have time. Usually when I'm kind of trying to go quick, when I'm trying to get as much fishing as I can, I don't throw slow type lures, but we'll see how it goes. Maybe I will toward the end of the day. All right, let's get it. So those of you that have seen my videos before, you know that when I'm usually fishing the creek, and if I'm limited on time, I'll hook up my little trolling motor. So I had the trolling motor in the car, had the battery in the car, and somehow, and I saw my mount this morning that I've got for the back, because I can't mount the trolling motor without the mount that I built. And I saw the trolling motor mount. I was like, oh yeah, I got to make sure I get that. And guess what? Yeah, I didn't get it. So, but anyway, so I'm paddling. We'll see how long that lasts. Y'all know I don't like paddling. I can't tell if that's a fish or if that's a log. That's a fish. That is a fish. Oh, what is that? Can y'all see that? I think that's a smallmouth. It's either that or a carp. It's hard to tell, he is brown looking. Alright, tied a crankbait on. We're gonna see if that does any good. It can't do worse. Because I have had zero luck out here. Oh, I got a fish on. That's crazy. I didn't know I had a fish on. I thought I was hung up on something. Easy now, don't get me with the hooks. No. See, I just said don't get me with the hooks. Oh, rascal. Alright. The beast of the day. Don't be too shocked. It's huge. Yeah. Alright, buddy. A fish is a fish. Oh, I'm on. Oh! I didn't know I was on. He was running right at me. I thought I just... Oh gosh, I think it was a smallie too. Let him go. Appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully next time, catch a few more fish. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you out there on the water.